Here we go on the Farmington Trail, side trail that is. Runs alongside one of the sections, A and B. We'll go here a little bit down this way and then get over on the creek bed. I'll send you in this. We're gonna cross a path this year. Another pretty day. Got a few folks out. There's a little side trail off this one. There's some young people over there. Yeah, this is one of my favorite places to come. I think a little greener than what they were the last time I came down. Still got a ways to go yet. It's getting there. Temperatures in mid-60s. Gentle breeze. I'm probably heading right into the sun, and hopefully I won't blind you. Let me take a peek here right quick. See how it's doing. I'm at. Don't see any reflections, so far so good. Okay. Now you can keep following the stream bed from here. It winds around, it comes out down on the main part of St.Joe Park. There's a loop over there, that's a 4-mile loop. I've been over there once. Pretty nice. Yeah, there's quite a few runners that come through here, and bikers too. This is all washed up over here. Come down off them hills up there, and the creek runs down through there and goes over to the main creek back over here, which is just over there. Yeah, I was out yesterday, out at Pickle Springs yesterday morning. Oh, it was beautiful out there. When I left, I got there early in the morning. I left, probably around a quarter after 11 or somewhere right in there. And the parking lot was full. It was parked up on the sides of the road. I counted 29 vehicles there when I left. All kinds of people out there. I noticed they got a picnic table out there. They didn't have any toilet services there, but it's still a nice place to go for a hike, for a picnic. I would imagine if they did have restroom facilities, being out the way it is, there'd be people run it. Yeah, a lot of water running down this little creek right here. Get ready to cross it here in about a minute or less. A little dry right now, looks like. Yeah. Yeah, it's you can tell how it's washed up over in there. And I see the bike tracks right there. Seen some deer tracks back up the way. Through here is pretty flat. Whoop. You do alright walking if you pick your feet up. I used to manage to stumble a couple, 3 times in my walks and my hikes. I have to laugh at myself, it's funny. And again, I'll try to not turn my head so quick. And also, once again, I want to thank you for watching my videos. It is appreciated. You can comment if you want to, but it's not necessary. I make no monies off these videos. I just enjoy doing them. I must say though that I do monitor the comments. And if there are comments that are not necessarily negative, but if they are using not very good language, I'll put it that way. These are family videos. I have people looking at with children and teens, and so that's the reason I monitor the comments. Yeah, there's part of the stream. Go out here and walk over it just a bit. Right through here is a good spot. Yeah. Let me check my camera here. Make sure it's still adjusted right. Different. Must have lost my connection. There we go. Yeah, I did. I'll still be able to view it though, just to I have it paired with my cell phone and everything's looking good. Okay. Back on the trail. This part of St.Joe has pretty good cell reception. Sometimes I mention about the camera that I use. It's a Sony action camera, FDR X3000. Good little camera, I must say. I just got it, probably a month and a half ago. It's not been very long, and I'm still learning how to use it, how to operate it. Oh yeah. Let me cross this little creek right here and go right over here. There's a nice looking little rock. I'm in not exactly in a rock hunting mode today, but I usually find some good ones in here. My goodness. Oops. That tree wasn't there the last time I was here. Kind of forced the water around this way, looks like. Pull right out of the bank. The more roots, they hang on, don't they? Yeah, you can see it right. Oh, that's the limb off of another tree right there. It's been tied up in that one. There's some big old roots up there. It's held on for dear life, that's for sure. Okay, let's see. I want to try to walk across that. I think I'll go around that. Yeah, it's a big old tree, that's for sure. I've been down this trail several times, but I haven't really got, well, when I first started I didn't have the camera to shoot 4K, which I'm doing now. That 4K really brings out the color. I'm also using the external mic today, or excuse me, not the external, the internal. I tried it yesterday and it sounded good. I didn't know if it'd pick things up when I turned my head, but it did. I got my external mic with me just in case I want to switch over, but that's just an extra wire hanging out. But this thing, the external mic, or lapel mic, whatever you want to call it, is goodness, that thing is sensitive. This bank is really getting washed out. Yeah, these two right here are probably going within a year or so, or soon, if not sooner, depending on the wind probably. It sure is you can see them big old roots are hanging down right here, coming out. Let me zoom in on that turkey a little bit. Wrong button. There we go. Get my head tilted up here where you can see it. Okay. I tell you, the whole bank right there looks like you could go. Yeah, there's a section of this trail down here that I think I'm going to dub it Black Forest, because it goes off this trail and it gets right into excuse me, cedar and pine, and it gets kind of dark, like this right through here, except it's only a lot more. Get up and take a look at this. Yeah, the water's been up here washing around. Pretty right up through there. Gully washer, gully washer. I would imagine it rumbles too when it comes down through here over that rock. Let's go right over here just for a second. Water runs off pretty good there, I'm sure. The tree right there is going to go. Got some big roots, but it's a big tree.